For years, marriage has been associated with numerous health benefits, including lower rates of heart disease, longer life expectancy, and even a reduced risk of dementia. However, new research challenges that assumption by suggesting that unmarried older adults in the United States may actually have a lower risk of developing dementia compared to their married counterparts. The study, conducted by researchers at the National Alzheimer's Coordinating Center and tracking over 24,000 adults aged 50 and older for up to 18 years, presents an intriguing perspective on how lifestyle factors, social structures, and personal independence may contribute to cognitive health in ways that were previously underestimated. One of the most significant takeaways from the study is that being unmarried does not necessarily mean a higher risk of cognitive decline, as previously thought. Widowed, divorced, and never married individuals showed a lower incidence of dementia compared to those who remained married. This finding could reshape how we understand the social determinants of brain health, highlighting that while marriage provides companionship and emotional support, it also comes with unique challenges that could influence cognitive well-being. Factors such as caregiving stress, limited social networks, and the pressures of maintaining a long-term partnership might, in some cases, contribute to cognitive strain rather than protect against it. One possible explanation for these findings is that unmarried individuals may develop stronger independent coping mechanisms and diverse social connections that help keep their minds engaged and resilient. Those who are single or divorced often cultivate broader social networks outside of a single partnership, engaging with friends, family, colleagues, and community groups. This expanded social engagement has been linked to better cognitive function, as it provides more opportunities for mental stimulation, emotional support, and diverse problem-solving experiences. In contrast, some married individuals may experience social isolation if they rely primarily on their spouse for companionship and support, particularly if that partner faces their own health challenges. Additionally, the responsibilities of caregiving, particularly among long-married couples, could play a role in the differences in dementia risk. Many married individuals become primary caregivers for their spouses as they age, which can be both emotionally and physically demanding. Chronic stress and exhaustion from caregiving have been associated with higher levels of inflammation and cognitive impairment over time. In contrast, unmarried individuals may be less likely to experience the prolonged stress of caregiving for a spouse, allowing them to maintain a more stable and balanced lifestyle that benefits brain health. Another key consideration is that unmarried individuals may be more proactive in maintaining their cognitive health through lifestyle choices. Without a spouse to rely on for daily structure, they might take greater initiative in engaging in activities that are beneficial for brain function, such as continued education, travel, new hobbies, and regular social interactions. Studies have shown that activities like learning new skills, playing games, and engaging in physical exercise can significantly reduce the risk of dementia by promoting neuroplasticity and enhancing brain function. Individuals who remain single or live alone might be more likely to pursue these activities independently, reinforcing their cognitive resilience. It is important to acknowledge that the study had some limitations, as the participant group was predominantly white and married, meaning the findings may not be fully representative of the broader U.S. population. Additionally, some researchers suggest that unmarried individuals may simply be diagnosed with dementia at a later stage, as they do not have a spouse to notice early warning signs or encourage them to seek medical evaluation. However, even with these potential caveats, the results open new avenues for understanding how social relationships shape brain health over time. The findings challenge long-held assumptions about marriage and cognitive well-being, suggesting that relationship status alone does not determine dementia risk. Instead, the quality of relationships, levels of social engagement, stress management, and lifestyle choices all play crucial roles in maintaining brain health. While marriage has clear benefits, including emotional support and stability, it is not a guaranteed safeguard against cognitive decline. Similarly, being unmarried is not inherently detrimental to brain health. In fact, it may offer unique advantages that help protect against dementia. These results encourage a broader perspective on aging and cognitive health, emphasizing the importance of diverse social connections, mental engagement, and stress reduction regardless of marital status. Whether married or unmarried, individuals can take proactive steps to protect their cognitive function by prioritizing social interactions, maintaining an active lifestyle, and engaging in intellectually stimulating activities. Future research will likely explore additional factors, such as marital quality and specific lifestyle habits, to better understand the complex relationship between social status and dementia risk. As scientists continue to study the early indicators of dementia, it is becoming increasingly clear that there is no single path to cognitive longevity. Rather than focusing solely on marital status as a protective factor, a more nuanced approach, one that prioritizes mental engagement, emotional well-being, and social diversity, may be the key to reducing dementia risk in later life. The takeaway from this study is that individuals have the power to shape their cognitive health through a variety of choices, regardless of whether they are married, divorced, widowed, or never married at all.